Okay, so to start this off, what we're going to look at is we're going to look at actually just getting the bare bones, the basic information we need to start formulating an answer to a writing paper question. So as you'll probably remember, we're going to use SLAP, which is situation, layout, audience and purpose. And think about what this might tell us. So, first things first, our situation. Well, that's all in here really, isn't it? You're a leader of a local street-style dance company called Tempo, and you want to enter competition in France, and you need to raise funds for transport and accommodation. So that's our situation here. Now, then we need to think about layout. Now that's fairly straightforward. We're being asked to write a letter. So again, layout, fairly straightforward. Audience, slightly a little bit more tricky. So we know it's a local business, and we've got the address here. So we've got our audience there. And that should start to get us thinking really. So once you reach your audience, you should be thinking to yourself, okay, does this need to be formal, informal, a bit of a mix? And I'd say, given this task, you're probably looking at a formal letter here. Now, purpose. As we know, there's 4 different types of text. There is persuasive text, there is descriptive text, informative text and instructional text. We know they're not going to ask us to write an instructional piece of text because an instructional piece of text would be something like how to put together a bookshelf. So that leaves 3 others. Now they're never going to come out and say write a persuasive piece of text or write an informative piece of text. You're expected to read between the lines here. So we're going to have to ask this small company to sponsor us. So reading between the lines, that tells me, okay, our purpose here is probably persuasive. So here we go, and you can always watch the next video in the series to look at how we get more information out of that and look at what we need to be putting into our answer.